Okay, so we got another one. Another Lulu the piggy travel. Let's see what it has. All right, open it.
No.
What do you think you? Which one?
I feel like that one, or maybe this one. I
You
don't
think
know.
it's that one? Or?
I don't know.
Okay, let's find out. Okay, no peeping at the card. Okay, take out your toy.
Let's see who we got.
Let's see who we got. Has a little stand.
Okay.
Comes with two little stands.
Ah.
Drum roll. Okay,
Ready? How do you open this?
just open it. There's a little slit over here.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! You got the travel piggy! You got the travel piggy! Oh, look how cute it is! It has a little camera. It's so cute. Oh. All right. Let's see what we have on the next one.